In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads from Excel or CSV files into Zoho CRM. This can be a powerful tool for managing your contacts and ensuring that your business keeps track of all your potential clients. So, let's dive right in and get started on this process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. You'll need to log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Leads section. This is typically accessible from the dashboard, and it represents the core area where you'll be managing your incoming leads. Click on Leads to proceed. After you've accessed the Leads section, you'll notice an option for More Actions. It's usually represented by a small icon or menu button just above the list view. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Import Leads. Selecting this will initiate the import process. The next step involves selecting your CSV file. A dialog box will appear, giving you an option to browse your computer for the correct file. Ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly, with all the necessary headers corresponding to the data fields in Zoho CRM. Click Browse and select the appropriate CSV file to upload. Once you've chosen the file, click Next to proceed. Now that your file is uploaded, you'll be presented with options on what to do with the records in the file. Depending on your needs, you can choose whether to carry out a complete import or to update existing records with new information. Take a moment to decide and then click Next to confirm your choice. You'll then engage in the field mapping process. Zoho CRM will likely attempt to match your CSV headers to their respective fields within the platform, but it's crucial to review these matches carefully. If any fields don't align automatically, you can manually adjust them to ensure each piece of information ends up in the right spot. Once you're satisfied with your field mappings, click Next. Before finalizing the import, Zoho CRM will prompt you to confirm that all imported email addresses have received explicit consent from contacts or fall under a legitimate business interest. Make sure to check this acknowledgement as it's critical for compliance with Zoho's anti-spam policy. Finally, click on Finish to complete the import process. You should see a confirmation message that your leads are successfully imported into the CRM, and they should now appear in your lead list, ready for you to engage and manage. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly import leads from Excel or CSV files into Zoho CRM, streamlining your client management and keeping your business organized. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful CRM tips.